Hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2. In order to save some time, I've already created some 3D petals. Today we'll be working with yellow and some nude. Let's start by applying some matte top coat. I want to sculpt a lily, and this time I'll be using white 3D gel from Cassie Paint. I am using the same 3D gel to assemble the flower. So once you're happy with the placement, you can go ahead and cure it for 1 minute. Now we're going to cover the petals with some top coat. Let's speed this up a little bit. Don't forget the sides. So I got some nail mail between the last video and this one, and I finally got my nail art spoon. This part was a bit tricky, so next time I'll be using this right here. I don't know how it's called, but if you do, drop it down in the comments. So now I'm taking the brush to remove the excess. There is only one thing missing. I don't know what got into my head, but somehow I thought I could pull this off, so I tried, and I think it came out pretty cool. Wow, I really love how this looks. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.